subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Health benefits of yoga. Number 1. Builds muscle strength. Strong muscle work to protect the body and keep it free from the injury. Muscle strength helps prevent conditions such as lower back pain or arthritis. For example, strong muscles helps your body to align the skeletal system, keeping space and integrity in the vertebra of the lower spine. The beauty of yoga is that as you build strength within the muscles, you simultaneously create flexibility. This simple balance of strength and flexibility helps to keep your body safe to maintain longevity in your practice as well as in your body's overall health. Number 2. Yoga improves the body's endocrine functions. Yoga is very helpful in regulating the body's hormonal secretion. Our body requires the perfect amount of hormones to function properly. Yoga prevents hormone imbalances and helps maintain its proper functioning, which results in improved physical and emotional health. Number 3. Breathe better. Breathing deeply and calmly is an essential part of every yoga practice. Yogic breathing techniques called pranayama focus on trying to slow down the breath and on breathing fully from the pit of your stomach to the top of your lungs. These methods will make you feel more relaxed and balanced and will help you to face the day with confidence and calm. They also have some great side benefits, including increased lung capacity and more tidal volume, the total amount of air your lungs can hold at any one time. Number 4. Increases your blood flow. Yoga gets your blood flowing. More specifically, the relaxation exercises you learn in yoga can help your circulation, especially in your hands and feet. Yoga also gets more oxygen to your cells, which functions better as a result. Twisting poses are thought to wring out venous blood from internal organs and allow oxygenated blood to flow in once the twist is released. Inverted poses such as headstand, handstand, and shoulder stand encourages venous blood from the legs and pelvis to flow back to the heart, where it can be pumped to the lungs to be freshly oxygenated. This can help if you have swelling in your legs from heart or kidney problems. Yoga also boosts levels of hemoglobin and red blood cells, which carry oxygen to the tissues. And it thins the blood by making platelets less sticky and by cutting levels of clot-promoting proteins in the blood. This can lead to decrease in heart attacks and strokes, since blood clots are often cause of these killers. Number 5. Gives you inner strength. Yoga can help you make changes in your life. In fact, that might be its greatest strength. Tapas, the Sanskrit word for heat, is the fire, the discipline that fuels yoga practice and that regular practice builds. The tapas you develop can be extended to the rest of your life to overcome inertia and change dysfunctional habits. You may find that without making a particular effort to change things, you start eating better, exercise more, or finally quit smoking after years of failed attempts. Number 6. Yoga improves our heart health. Yoga not only strengthens the body muscle, but cardiovascular muscle also get a thorough workout. Yoga results in lower heart rate, improves blood circulation, and decreases the chances of heart attacks. It also reduces the stress and lower cholesterol levels in the blood vessels, which are the two major reasons of heart attacks. Number 7. Better quality in sleep. One of the greatest benefits we'll get from doing yoga is that they will be able to sleep in a better quality. Certain yoga tricks, namely Shavasana, would teach your body on how to relax and cool down after a very hard workout. In addition to that, you will also learn how to breathe properly so that your body is able to relax. These things undoubtedly would be beneficial whenever you want to sleep at night. You will be able to sleep deeper than before, especially whenever your body is physically tired. Better quality in sleep means that you will get a fresh start on the next day. Number 8. Improved flexibility. Stiff muscles can lead to injured ligaments, bones, back and shoulder pain. Many people work in an environment that's characterized by limited physical activity for the majority of the day. While regular stretching is recommended as a pre or post exercise activity, yogic stretching involves prolonged sessions that focus on loosening tight muscles and strengthening weak joints. This helps increase range of motion, agility, flexibility and endurance. It also helps promote faster recovery. Number 9. Helps create focus. On a purely physical level, focus is an important part of how we remain in challenging postures. Yoga teaches us that by focusing our drishti, our view or gaze, our attention will naturally follow. On the mat, we use our drishti to focus our awareness of our body so that we find balance. This also translates into our lives, and we find that when we focus our gaze on our goals, we eliminate distraction and achieve what we want more easily. Number 10. Helping to build and maintain bone. Some yoga poses are weight bearing, which means they stress your muscle in ways that stimulate your bone cells to lay down new bone. This can help you prevent osteoporosis or porous bones in your senior years. Because yoga also reduces stress, it could have additional positive impact on bones by decreasing the stress hormone cortisol, which is in excess can reduce bone density. Number 11. Gives you peace of mind. Yoga quells the fluctuation of the mind. In other words, it slows down the mental loops of frustration, regrets, anger, fear and desires that can cause stress. And since stress is implicated in so many health problems from migraines and insomnia to lupus, eczema, high blood pressure and heart attacks, if you learn to quit your mind, you will be likely to live longer and healthier. Thank you for watching.